Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Hayden Adams with A Designer Who Codes. I recently received an email from one of my viewers on this YouTube channel asking me the following. I am building my website in GatsbyJS. I use the React element to change meta and description. On the inspect method, it shows nicely. However, in view source, it is not showing up. Basically, can you help me make it show up? And I said, you know what? Yeah, I could do that. So the problem we have right here is that I am in Gatsby Develop right now and Gatsby Default Starter Library. I'm using the basic default settings. Inside my inspect, we can see that all the meta information is right there. We have the Apple icons. We eventually will have the meta description. Kick off your next great Gatsby project. However, if we head over to the view source, we don't see it. So in this video, I want to show you how you can see the results in view source and make it readable as well. And with that, let's get started. All right, once again, my name is Hayden Adams with A Designer Who Codes, and this channel is all about helping you design more and to troubleshoot less. If that's what you're looking for online, then hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell so you never miss a video. All right, so I am sitting here in the Gatsby Default Starter in Gatsby Develop. We can see it's localhost 8000. The first reason why we're not seeing any metadata show up is that we're still in the Gatsby Develop. I have to go into Gatsby Build and then eventually Gatsby Serve in order to see the information showing up inside that screen. So I'm going to stop my development server, Control C, and I'm going to type in Gatsby Build to actually build out this website. That's going to display the static information inside of my site, which the static is the meta information. So it's done building. Now I want to see it finish. So I'm going to head over to Gatsby Serve, which is Gatsby Serve. And that's going to change from localhost 8000 to localhost 9000. So now when I go from 8000 to 9000 and hit on my computer, the Macintosh, it's Command Option U. Now I see the meta information down below. So if we look for meta, I'm going to do a quick search for meta. We can find the meta name. We can find the metadata React, which is the data React helmet, the name description. Now, if you're like me, this is way minified and I need a better way of reading this. So step 2 is I want to use a plugin to make this much prettier. So I'm going to do a Google search for Gatsby plugin prettier build. That is actually the name of the build. So I'm going to type in Gatsby plugin prettier build. And it should pop up inside of Google right away. And you will see Wes Boss's tweet that the Gatsby plugin, hey, it might seem like a weird request, but is there any way to prettify, unminify the Gatsby generated HTML like we're seeing right here? And Gatsby said, sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install. I haven't set up Yarn on my new machine yet, which usually I'm a Yarn guy, but I'm going to go with the npm install route. So I'm going to copy npm install, stop my development server, paste it in, and npm install save Gatsby plugin prettier build. What this is going to do is this is going to make our source code much prettier and easier to read, because right now I had to do a search for meta and it's there, but it's all minified. So what I want to do is I now want to add this plugin to make it more readable. So I'm going to head back over to that plugin and I'm going to head over and say usage. I'm going to copy the Gatsby plugin prettier build and head over to my source code to my Gatsby config, drop it in, save, and now I'm going to do is I don't need to go to Gatsby Develop because this is more for the Gatsby Build / Gatsby Serve. So I'm going to say Gatsby Build, taking that prettier build into account, and hopefully in a matter of seconds, what it should do is it's going to prettify. There it is. It prettified all the files, the 404, the page 2, the index, and the TypeScript file that now includes in the Gatsby Starter default library. So now when I do a Gatsby serve, it's going to take that into account. And now when I refresh my view source, I'm going to close this. Magic. Now I can easily scroll down past all the inline CSS somewhere, and now I can see that the meta name, content, the links, the rels, everything you wanted to have is inside of the index.js inside of Gatsby. And that's how to show that the meta information is there, but it's only in the Gatsby build / Gatsby serve. If you want more videos helping you design more and troubleshoot less, check out the videos I have here and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I'm Hayden Adams with A Designer Who Codes. Thanks so much for watching and have a fantastic day.